Today, I'm gonna take you on a tour of a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome in Wellington, one of the most sought after communities in Palm Beach County.
This home is packed with modern features and incredible spaces, making it a perfect blend of comfort and style. Trust me, this is one you will not want to miss. Let's go check it out.
As you walk into your home, you're gonna see that you have a half bath and a linen closet conveniently located off your foyer. But check this out, this is really cool. You're gonna pass through this arch into your main living area, which is spacious and open, which is great for relaxing and entertaining. And by the way, look up, check out all these modern fixtures. It really just elevates the elegance of this space.
Now, if you love to cook, check out this gourmet kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, walk-in pantry, and a beautiful large island, ready for entertaining or meal prepping with all this counter space.
Let me take you upstairs and show you your primary suite, your personal little retreat. And check out this space. If you look up, they have tray ceilings. Look out the window to your back patio, which we'll show you later. And around the corner, you have a walk-in closet that's bigger than most bedrooms.
Check out this en-suite bathroom with an oversized shower, soak-in tub, and dual sinks, making it both luxurious and practical.
Take a look at your outdoor patio. It's fully fenced in and it has custom pavers. It is a great place to have morning coffee or even have people over for a barbecue. The options are truly endless in this outdoor space.
One of the amazing perks of living in this community is their resort-style pool with a sun deck and cabana. It's the perfect spot to enjoy the Florida sunshine, and residents can invite guests to join them for a relaxing day by the pool.
Thank you for spending some of your precious time with us today touring this amazing townhome. A couple features we did not talk about that you should know is that the floors are gorgeous and it does come with hurricane shutters. If you'd love to see this townhome, reach out to Jair. He'll love to show it to you. And if you want to see more videos just like this, hit that notification bell and the subscribe button.